Hi, I'm Elizabeth, and in this video, I'll walk you through how to use Grammarly, including their latest AI tools to improve your writing. You'll also see how Grammarly now supports clearer communication in multiple languages. Let's take a look. To get started with Grammarly, use the link in the description or the pinned comment below, which also provides 20% off a pro subscription. Once you're on the Grammarly homepage, click on the Sign Up button to create your free account. Once you finish signing up, you'll be taken to app.grammarly.com. And this is where Grammarly's new AI tools can help you unlock more productivity as well as save you a lot of time. I've downloaded Grammarly for Windows, so that when I'm in Outlook, I see the Grammarly widget pop up when I type. Here I need to send a follow-up email to a new client, Jason, regarding a contract proposal. I always have trouble starting these things. I want to sound confident, but not arrogant. So I'll click on the Grammarly AI chat to help me get started. The AI assistant can do a few things for me. I could tell the AI chat exactly what I need. I'll prompt it to write a response that thanks Jason for allowing me to submit a proposal for his business, and that I am confident that we can provide the solution that he needs. In seconds, I get a great message. I can use this draft, but I might want the tone to be a little friendlier. So hang tight because I'll be showing you all which tool can help you nail the perfect tone later on in this video. Great news! I was able to secure the contract with Jason, and now it's time to start delivering. As part of this project, I've written some suggested social media posts. Since the company has a strong presence in Latin America, I would like to offer this in a Spanish option as well. I can ask my chat assistant to translate this document into Spanish. And now I just need to apply all, and it's done. And if I was a native Spanish speaker and continued to edit this document, Grammarly will auto-detect which language I'm writing in and provide me with underlined suggestions in that language. You can get writing and grammar suggestions in real time across 6 major languages, including Spanish, French, Portuguese, German, and Italian. You can go to your settings to change your default language. Now let's go back to the Grammarly platform, where you get some really amazing AI features. Grammarly has evolved from a grammar checker into a full AI communication assistant. The tools go beyond fixing mistakes and focus on how your writing is received. My new favorite tool is called Reader Reactions, which helps predict how different audiences may respond to your writing. As part of this project, I have written a company introduction page that explains who the company is. With the Reader Reactions tool, you could select the audience that will be reading your message, and Grammarly analyzes the writing and predicts how readers are likely to respond. It highlights places that may come across as unclear, abrupt, or more negative than you intended. And it also explains why. It will also suggest questions that may arise when somebody reads this, that you might want to address before publishing. I can also modify the audience, helping me to tailor my writing to various groups more effectively, and it ensures that I address the needs of different audiences. Not only does this tool save me time with the quick suggestions, but it also makes me feel much more confident in my projects before they get published. Another powerful Grammarly feature is the Humanizer tool, which helps your writing sound more natural. If a draft feels overly formal, stiff, or repetitive, Humanizer rewrites it to sound more conversational, clear, and human, without changing your original meaning. You can choose your voice to ensure that the tone of writing sounds more like something you'd actually write. And with just one click, Grammarly smooths out awkward phrasing, varies sentence structure, and makes your message feel more authentic and approachable. Some other AI tools includes Paraphraser, which uses AI to understand context rather than just grammar. This works well when something seems too lengthy or confusing. The Paraphraser can simplify it without losing its meaning. I love all of the different options that they provide so that you can change your tone depending on how you're feeling. However, you're still in control of your own writing. Grammarly's expert review takes your writing beyond basic suggestions by giving you feedback inspired by professionals in that field. Instead of just fixing individual sentences, it reviews your message as a whole and offers high-level guidance on clarity, tone, structure, and effectiveness. It can point out where your message may be too vague, too long, or missing key context, and then suggest ways to strengthen it. This is especially helpful if you're writing a research paper or something that needs more review. For students or parents that may be reviewing your child's work, there's also the AI Grader tool, which reviews your writing against a specific set of criteria, such as an assignment prompt. Grammarly then gives you targeted feedback on how well your work meets those expectations, providing you with feedback on how relevant your writing is to the question, and whether your response is well organized and easy to follow. There's also the AI Detector tool, which helps you see how much of the text seems AI generated. And it will remind you to cite your text by generating citations so that you're using AI responsibly. These days, we write as much on our phones as we do on the computer. Luckily, Grammarly is also on your mobile device. I'm on my way to an event with this client, and I want to make sure that my text is polished. With Grammarly Keyboard, I can polish my writing by adjusting the tone and adjusting my text based off of who I'm writing to. Let's talk about plans and pricing. With a free account, you get all the essential grammar and clarity checks, but I highly suggest upgrading to a Pro account to take your writing to that next level. The Pro account offers unlimited writing support, so you can communicate confidently without breaking your focus. And don't forget that if you use the link in the description, you'll get 20% off your Pro subscription. Grammarly makes writing easier. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tutorials like this one.